Welcome. In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to zoom in Autodesk 3ds Max. All right, first up, let's just go ahead and draw a object, maybe a pyramid right here, just like so. Now to zoom in, the basic zoom in is just scroll wheel. Okay, you can go ahead and use the mouse or your mouse scroll wheel. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. All right. Now another option, we have the smooth zoom. So what you'll do is just basically hold Control plus Alt on your keyboard. Again, Control plus Alt. Then go ahead and hold down the scroll wheel button on your mouse. Hold it, and as you can see, we have this icon, as you can see. Now what you'll do basically to zoom in and zoom out is you just go ahead and use your mouse. Okay, move it away if you want to zoom out smoothly, and move it in or upwards to zoom in smoothly as well. All right, you can go ahead and release all buttons just like so, and we are back to normal scrolling or zooming. Now another option for zooming in is by pressing Z or Z. So go ahead and press Z, and as you can see here, when you go ahead and select an object, it will automatically or instantly frame it in the active viewport. Now I'm going to move away. Okay, select the object, press Z, and it will zoom in. Z again, it will not zoom out. Okay. Now, another option is what we called the interactive zoom tool. So what you got to do is press Alt plus Z, okay, to activate the zoom tool. Alt plus Z, there you go. And here we have the magnifying icon. So all you got to do is just use your mouse, click on an area, and then just move up, move down. Okay, move up, move down. So things to keep in mind, you can hold Control if you want faster or larging zooming steps, just like so, or Alt for slower and more controlled zooming. Okay, again, Control for faster, Alt for more controlled zooming. Those are the ways to zoom in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.